Hi Sarah, this is your machine. When you receive the machine, let me show you how to connection. Okay, the first one is the automatic faders. You should give this air for this one. Air, okay. Right now we just put together, so you can use a separate air, okay. And here's need the air, okay. And here you will see we already put this fast connector. Let's say A and A, B and B, something like this. Okay, this is removable. It's removable. This one here not touch. Okay, here not touch. Just take out this one and then remove side. Okay, this one. And then this is U-turn. First U-turn. First U-turn you will see you will just lose this connector from here. You will see here. From here. This one connector. When you receive it, you just adjust this one is same lever. This one same lever and use clamp. Okay, and here's lose here, this here, and then this one was you can open from here. Okay, you can open from here and then peel off this one. Okay, and this one you see we also use this. You see 3 and 3. You see we put a lumber for this one, and also you will see here. E and E also connection like this. You will see same. Okay, and here screw, okay. And also was already marked put this label for each station. And here also you see connection. But when you hear you touch, don't touch this wheel. You see here. Don't touch the hair. Okay, make sure this have this gap. Okay. And here also you see number 2 and 2 number. You will already have number. Okay. And here also you will see connection here. And here is discharge conveyor. You will see here. We also this number. Okay. 4 and 4. And then here also you see same. 4's connection same like this, okay? And then here also, okay? This one also, and also have this one, fast connector J and J, and here also connection like this, okay? Also lose this one, or lose this one is okay, no problem. Lose this one, see? Okay, and here. Also, this one also same. Okay, also lose here, and here also 1 and 1 number. We already put a number, so you just following as our instruction. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, and A and A, B and B, something like this. Okay, so you already mark this all label. So when you receive it, it's very simple to connection. Okay, this machine. This is connection with machine. And also we mix on this each position we put the label, something like this. You will see with each label. You can find this from this touch screen or this feeding machine touch screen have the same label. Okay, same this menu page. You will see it. Okay, something like this. Each position we already have this number. You will see we put this label for each station. Okay, like this. Each station we have. See. Each station we have this one, okay? Each station we have this one. We mark this one. And also the tank, you will see this is your tank. The materials was connection with this material and then from in, and this one on and off. Off and on, okay? So this is a circulation system. And here also, this one connection with the feeding machine, you will see we also have put a number. You will see this is 6. This is 6 and 8, okay? And also, you will find this number from here. You will see from this number, it's 6 and 8, okay? And also, this fast connector will have this number, okay? Have this number. You will see like this B, B, C, C, something like this, okay? So this is how to connection with the machine, okay? When you receive it, you just following our instruction. Okay, it will be like this.